There is a $30 billion company that serves professional plumbers across the United States, and most homeowners have never heard its name. Ferguson Enterprises, headquartered in Newport News, Virginia, 1,773 branch locations, a fleet of approximately 5,900 delivery vehicles, 36,000 suppliers, ranked number 1 in the country for plumbing distribution and number 2 for HVAC. $30 billion in annual revenue in a single year, selling almost exclusively to professional trade contractors. And if you have spent your entire life shopping for plumbing supplies at Home Depot, you have been shopping in a channel that professional plumbers largely do not use for the same purchases. The reasons why are more specific than most people expect, and they explain something about how professional trades actually work that the home improvement retail industry has no financial incentive to tell you. That number is not a typo, and the company is not obscure in any industry sense. Ferguson is ranked number 1 on the Modern Distribution Management Top Distributors list for plumbing in the United States. It is one of the largest distributors of any product category in North America. Its revenue is larger than Lowe's entire plumbing, tool, and hardware revenue combined, and it operates almost entirely outside the consumer-facing retail world. There are no Ferguson commercials during football games. There is no Ferguson loyalty app. There is no Ferguson parking lot you drive past on the way to work. There are Ferguson branches, usually in light industrial neighborhoods, usually accessible by delivery truck, usually staffed by people with specific trade knowledge, and they exist to serve the professional contractor who sources materials for a living. That contractor is not typically at Home Depot, and the reason they are not is both simple and structural. To understand why Ferguson exists at that scale without appearing in any consumer conversation, you have to understand what the supply house system actually is and why it was built separately from retail. The supply house model predates big box home improvement retail by decades. Hajoca Corporation, the second largest plumbing wholesaler in the United States, was founded in 1929, 59 years before the first Home Depot opened. Hajoca operates through approximately 450 locations, has been family-owned for its entire history, and has never sold to a retail customer. Wind Supply operates through 600-plus local companies under brands including Winelson and Windwater, with a decentralized ownership model that gives each branch location owner level service incentives. These companies were built by and for professional trade contractors who needed commercial account terms, technical product knowledge, same-day availability, and job site delivery, none of which the retail model was designed to provide. The commercial account structure is the first thing that separates supply houses from retail, and the first thing most homeowners have never seen. A licensed plumber with a Ferguson account does not pay at the counter the way a homeowner buys at Home Depot. They pull materials against a commercial account with net 30 payment terms, volume pricing tiers that reflect their annual purchase volume, and job-specific procurement that lets them bill material directly to a project for accurate job costing. Their dedicated sales representative visits job sites, their account records which products went to which job. When a warranty claim arises, it is processed through the account relationship, not through a return visit to a retail location. These terms are not available to homeowners and are not visible from the retail side of any transaction. The back-channel economy of professional plumbing supply operates entirely outside the consumer retail world. Here is what the supply house channel actually offers that Home Depot structurally cannot. The product quality difference is documented and specific. Professional plumbers on trade forums and in industry publications have described for years that Delta, Moen, and Kohler faucets sold through Home Depot carry different model numbers than the same brand's products sold through Ferguson. The Home Depot versions are frequently described by experienced plumbers as lighter in weight, with more plastic internal components, designed for the consumer self-install market where the buyer will install the faucet once and expect it to last a decade. The supply house versions of the same brand carry commercial-grade internal specifications, different warranty terms, and different expected service life under the conditions of professional installation, which means a plumber installing a faucet that they are warranting with their own labor and their own reputation. When a plumber's warranty includes their labor to come back and fix a failure, the weight of the faucet at purchase is not an abstract specification. It is a financial calculation. A 2-pound faucet at Home Depot and a 4-pound faucet at Ferguson from the same brand are not the same faucet. The price difference between them is not markup. It is the cost of the commercial-grade internal components that determine whether the plumber gets a callback. The product depth difference is equally significant. Supply houses stock commercial product lines, specialty valve configurations, non-standard pipe dimensions, and replacement parts for systems installed in the 1980s that still need service. Home Depot stocks the products that a homeowner needs to complete a project that appears in a YouTube tutorial. Those are two different inventories serving two different definitions of what a plumbing job is. A plumber working on a commercial building, a multi-family renovation, or a high-end residential system with specifications outside the consumer standard needs parts that do not exist on any Home Depot shelf. That need does not disappear because Home Depot has a pro desk. It disappears because Ferguson has a branch with a technical specialist who can identify the correct part for a non-standard installation and have it at the job site the same day. Home Depot knows exactly where its professional strategy is not pointed. The clearest evidence is the $18.25 billion acquisition of SRS Distribution, announced March 28, 2024, and closed June 18th of the same year. SRS Distribution is a specialty trade distributor serving professional roofers, landscapers, and pool contractors. 3 trade categories, none of them plumbing. Home Depot's stated rationale for the largest acquisition in its history was to reach complex project occasions for residential specialty trade professionals. The trade professionals it named were roofers and landscapers. Home Depot's professional contractor strategy has always centered on general construction, outdoor, and surface trades. The trades that buy lumber, fasteners, decking, outdoor power equipment, and roofing materials in the volumes that justify the investment. The plumbing professional was not the customer that strategy was built to serve, which is why Ferguson generates $30 billion in annual revenue without competing with Home Depot for a single customer. The final detail that lands this story is what the supply house network's scale means for the homeowner who has been hiring plumbers for years. Every time a licensed plumber has come to your house and installed a water heater, replaced a faucet, or repiped a bathroom, the materials they used almost certainly did not come from Home Depot. They came from a branch location you have never seen, purchased on a commercial account you cannot access, sourced from a supplier relationship that took years to establish, and priced through volume tiers that reflect the contractor's annual purchase commitment. The retail channel exists for the homeowner who buys a faucet once. The supply house channel exists for the professional who buys faucets every week and whose reputation depends on every one of them lasting. Those are not the same customer. They have never shopped at the same store. And the $30 billion company that serves one of them is not the one with the orange sign. If this changed how you think about the materials in your walls and where they actually came from, subscribe. The professional trade supply system is one of the largest invisible economies in American construction, and most of what it does happens entirely outside anything you can walk into on a Saturday afternoon.